Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Angular momentum changes are easy to find if you know the secret. We will solve this torque graph problem in just a few quick steps. The change in angular momentum is equal to the area under the torque versus time graph. This means we need to find which 2-second interval has the largest total area. Since each answer choice covers a 2-second window, we just look for the highest average torque values, check the graph carefully to see where the line stays the furthest up. The graph shows torque is highest between 8 and 10 seconds. This yields the maximum area, so option D is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given data and check your steps.